We all have learned chanting, come hearing, pleases the Lord. But something else also pleases the Lord. Your staying in the fire pleases the Lord. Why? Because you are going to get purified. Suppose you don't keep going out, then the Nama Prabhu will be thinking, so foolish he is, no? How fast he can make advancement if he is uninterruptedly getting heated. I cannot do anything else. I have gone before him, I have ocean of Satchidananda. It is left to him. If he jumps out of the fire, what can I do? This is how Nama Prabhu will think. Broken at inattentive chanting. So then somebody is very serious. He holds on the attention embrace, he continues Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Nama Prabhu is more pleased. So Nama Prabhu is not only pleased by your individual chant, but your individual chant, when you do uninterruptedly, he is pleased because you are not coming, you are doing it effectively. You are not jumping out of the fire. He wants you to stay in the fire and become Satchidanandized. Rapid purification. Uninterrupted tasking, if you do uninterrupted japa, 16 rounds you do in 6 months. And you do all interrupted japa, interrupted by thinking. I am not saying that 16 in one shot you have to do. Don't get scared. Even if you do 4 rounds, I would not say 1 round. Okay, nothing happens, at least be uninterrupted in 1 round. Be uninterrupted in 4 rounds. You sit for japa, 1 session, you decide, now I am going to be uninterrupted. And Nama Prabhu is very pleased with that. So Nama Prabhu is also sensitive. Why is he roaming around his mind like this? Why is he not attentive to Shakti Avashanama? I put all the Shakti in this for his benefit, and he is not touching with his attention. So there is a Nama Prabhu's mind, the expectation is there. You want to please Nama Prabhu. No? Remember this, not only the Lord is pleased by chanting, come hearing, Lord is pleased by uninterrupted tasking. Now I want to explain to you this tasking, delight, impulse means. And impulse means what? You say somebody is impulsively acted. Impulse means always action is involved. But what is the extra thing behind that action, behind an impulsive action? A feeling. Is it not? So when I chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, then before I go to my next beat, there is a tasking delight impulse. That means there's a delightful impulse. Delight is the feeling behind that impulsive action. So there is a delightful impulse. Now what is this delight? Anything like, just like we discussed, chanting, hearing, delight, it cannot be artificial. I should have a reason why I have to be delightful. So this delight is a bhavana. Bhavana, behind that you need absolute thoughts. Now many we have discussed why tasking delight. To please Nama Prabhu more, number 1. Second feeling is what? The sense of accumulation. I want to accumulate more and more and more and more. Just like a greedy man wants to accumulate more money, more wealth. Greedy man. We should dovetail our greed. Pakka, we should be greedy for more and more. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare. Should task with greed. Greed to build up, accumulate something for your soul. This is a spiritual richness, spiritual wealth you are accumulating by each nama that you have chanting and hearing. Oh, if I simply saying is not enough. Go and read the Shastra. What are the benefits of chanting and hearing once Hare Krishna Mahamantra?